I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at how to use the back liftgate on your Chrysler Pacifica minivan. This is the 2022 model that I'm using right now. It should be fairly similar on others, though. So firstly, to open this, we want to make sure the car is unlocked, and then we're going to reach into the liftgate here, and there's a button on the inside that I can feel here with my fingers. So that's the first easiest way to open it. If it's unlocked, got your key fob, just press that. You don't have to lift it. It's got a power lift gate, so just give it a second. It's gonna go ahead and lift that up, and now we are good to go. Now to close it, this is where it gets a little confusing, because I think a lot of people then go, oh, there must be like a button in here, right? You know, and there's this little like grab thing, so maybe I pull on this. Don't do that, and no, there is not a button up there. The button is actually here. So a little bit confusing, and it's a little nerve-wracking because what you got to do is press that button and then like get out from under it. So when I press it, it's going to give it a delay. It's going to beep to say, hey, I'm going to close, and then it's going to start to close. So I'm going to like press that, and then I've got to retreat and get out of the way as the lift gate comes down. And you can see it's going to come down here and close again. Pretty powerful, but just a little bit confusing with that. The other way to operate this, if you don't want to go and use it on the back there, you can actually just on the key fob, whoops, sorry, wrong key fob, it's my old car key fob. Let me pull up the new one. Okay, so this is the new one. And in order to do that, it's this button here on the left. So we're just going to go ahead and press this twice. And that's going to go ahead and open that lift gate. Now, if we want to close it without having to find the weird button and like run out of the way, we can step away from the car and then just double press that again. And it's gonna beep again, that warning beep saying, all right, I'm gonna close now, and then it's gonna go ahead and bring that back down. And that's how we operate it. A little confusing at first, but once you get the hang of it, super, super easy.